Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable any app in your Android phone. If it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your settings. And now go to Apps. Now click Manage Apps. From here, search the app that you want to enable or disable. For example, Play Store. And I want to disable it right now, so I'm disabling it. Now this app is completely invisible from my app list. For example, if I try to search it right now, Play Store, here you can see that it's totally invisible right now. And now I'm going to enable it. And to do that, clicking on this enable button. And now if I try search it, you will get that. Let me show you. Play Store, and here is the app, and that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable system app in your Android phone. Thanks for watching.